This project is ZigBee based industrial parameter monitoring. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display, ZigBee connected to Arduino UART port. Here ZigBee TX and RX, DHT level, temperature and humidity, LDR and fire sensor connected to Arduino digital pins. Siren controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin here. Now power on this. Here we have two ZigBees. One is at sensor sides which is like a transmitter and the other one is at PC side which is like a receiver. All the sensors data transmitting to receiver, and we can see in serial terminal. Here we used Arduino IDE software. Now open it. We have to open the tools and select the port. We have to select the serial ports. Again we open the tools, select the serial monitor. On LCD, T for temperature, H for humidity and fire and LDR in dark condition. If any sensor gets activating like temperature more than 40 degrees, humidity more than 90% and fire on, then siren will be on. Now you can see one by one. Now temperature is 28 degrees. Here LDR in dark condition we can see on LCD and the receiver side.